welcome back to our YouTube channel. So yeah guys, as you can see, we are here in GGK Sky. I don't know if you guys can see. GGK Sky Music Lounge, right? It is?
Yeah.
And look, we found, we have promo. It's 200 pesos only. Unlimited subscription. The unlimited
Korean
barbecue.
Wow.
I can't believe how cheap is this, because in Manila, guys, it's 600 per head. And we're gonna find out, guys, it is really 200 peso per head, or it's just
Per head, but you say unlimited and side dishes.
Oh, wow.
What are they gonna give?
Where is that? Yeah, that's the one. Unlimited, $1.99. So cheap. Yeah.
Let's check it out. So what are you gonna do here?
So we're gonna see this GGK Skylands. See, that's the sign. Promo $1.99, unlimited, samgyeopsal and side dishes. So let's see. So this is the GGK Music Lounge, guys, and this is the place of that restaurant that 200 pesos per head, the unlimited Korean barbecue. But it say it's unlimited chicken wings for 200 pesos only. It's very cheap, guys. I can't believe how cheap is that, because you know, over here in Manila, it's 600 per head, and over there in Angeles, Pampanga, it's only 200 pesos. They also have live band, and they also have a disco bar, but this time I think the live band it's already finished, and we're just gonna check it out. This is in second floor, and yeah, while waiting for our friends because they came late. So yeah, Harry is not a Filipino time, so he came early. So this is the place. It's nice in second floor. It has the nice view also, and it's quite big. But this time it's not like it's empty. I don't know why, but yeah, this time it was empty. But we never tried the Korean barbecue at this time, guys, because Harry is craving for Indian food. So we're just gonna hang out and went to that disco bar. So this is the disco bar, and that was my friends. So as you can see, the disco bar also it's empty. It's only us actually. I don't know how, and I don't know why it's only us, but yeah. And it was Friday. It's supposed to be a lot of people because you know, no work, or you know, it's holiday the next day. So yeah, we order a couple of drinks, but before this we order margarita, mojito, but then this bar didn't have margarita, they don't have mojito, which is that's the drink we like. But then yeah, so probably that's why there's no people there, because they don't have some of the drinks also, it's not available. So yeah, we only order this one drinks, and then my friends they decide to go to another bar, but then me and Harry decide to go to our hotel because he wants to eat the Indian food. So we went to Indian restaurant after here. But then yeah, this is the place, and we order this food. This is our pulutan appetizer for our drinks, and we just had one drinks, guys, and then we transfer to other place, and we separate from this place. But it's nice. This place is nice. It just is empty, and that's all my friends. This is my friends from Germany, and the other one my friends from Mindanao, and the other is from Cebu. This one, Helene and Ruby. she's from the left side. She's from here in Angeles, Pampanga. She live in Angeles, Pampanga. That's why we came in Angeles, Pampanga, because of her daughter birthday and christening. So anyway, so after we separate from the bar and that GGK music lounge, we decide to walk around walking street. So this is the walking street in Angeles, Pampanga. So we just walk around, see all the beauties, and quite a lot of people. As you can see, it's just similarity the walking street in Thailand, but we never been in Thailand, but we're planning to go to Thailand actually, guys. So yeah, so a lot of bars opening. It's good that a lot of bars opening now, compared when it was pandemic. So yeah, we just walk around looking for Indian food because Harry, he never ate on that GGK restaurant because my friends didn't. They decide not. Didn't want to eat, but because they're not hungry yet. They just finished eating, but then we don't know. We were waiting for them to eat dinner, but then we thought that we're gonna have some dinner in that restaurant. But yeah, but then it's okay because we have is craving for Indian restaurant. So yeah, we just gonna walk around in this place and looking for Indian restaurant. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So after we went to Indian restaurant, we go back to our hotel and take a rest because the next day is the christening of my goddaughter, Ravi's daughter actually, and also her first birthday. So yeah, so we want to sleep early so that we are fresh in the morning. So yeah, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. So thank you so much for watching and see you in another one, guys. Bye. Where did
Eh?
look at this?
For access. This is what he said, access. They have shows.
Ah, I
I didn't like it. Go to Pattaya, you'll see what I mean. Bad boy, what you gonna do when they come for you?
That's it. This one.
It's up to the end, but yeah. Pirate. The Indian restaurant. Filipino restaurant. They must be in Filipino. So girls. Genesis.
Is it?
Yeah, of course. Of course. You cannot. Gold bar, you have to do this. What about the girls, You have to show.
You have Indian,
It's more Arabic, this looks like it's more Arabic. They have shawarma, not proper English. You need to make bars, like on the right hand side also. That's what people want to see. you get?
Free breakfast.
Oh, Bangkok. Bangkok Hotel.
Yeah, Bangkok Hotel, yeah. Wow.
Bangkok Hotel with free breakfast if you stay. Okay, this one is a walk around hotel. Bunny, penguin, castle massage. Pampanga, we are welcome to paradise. Come here in the front. This Philippine food. You want Philippine food? You need?
What do you?
Huh?
No, I want to eat that you're gonna eat.
Thanks so much. This is all. This is